We'll guide you through how to update Krita to make sure you're using the latest features and improvements. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Krita on your computer. Head over to the top menu bar and click on Help. From the drop-down menu, select Check for Updates. Krita will automatically check for any available updates online. If an update is available, you'll see a prompt on your screen detailing the new version and what's included. Click on Download to start downloading the update. This will take you to the Krita website where the latest version can be downloaded. Choose the appropriate version for your operating system, whether it's Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Once the download is complete, open the installer file. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation process. It's important to close Krita before you start the update installation to prevent any issues. After the installation is complete, you can open Krita again. You should now be running the latest version. You can verify this by going back to the Help menu and selecting About Krita. This will show you the version number you have installed. Keeping Krita updated ensures you have access to the latest tools and bug fixes, enhancing your digital art experience. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.